5 free generations and start creating breathtaking cinematic AI videos with the latest generation technology. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Seedance 2.5, explore its powerful new features, and create stunning, professional-quality AI videos step by step. Alright friends, this channel Nova AI Films. As you can see, they create this kind of realistic AI-generated films and videos. The videos look absolutely amazing, and many of them are going viral with millions of views. You can also create videos exactly like these, and it's actually quite easy once you know the right process. In this complete course, I'll show you everything step by step. How to create these realistic videos, which tools to use, how to generate the scenes, and how to create videos with viral potential. Just look at the views on this channel. One video has around 5.5 million views, another has around 909,000 views, and another one has around 3.3 million views. There are many more videos getting hundreds of thousands and even millions of views. You can also see the estimated channel income. Google is currently showing around 2.7K, although the actual income could be even higher. I'm checking the figures to give you a better idea. And just look at how realistic these videos are. We're going to create videos in exactly this kind of realistic style. High-quality AI films that have the potential to go viral and reach millions of views. I'll also show you how you can use 5 free AI generations on Higgsfield and how to make the most out of the free features. So, let's get started and learn how you can create these trending, realistic AI films yourself. New users get 5 free video generations after linking a credit card. Limited time offer. Exclusive access. Seedance 2.5 1080p lands on Higgsfield first, before any other platform. All new users get 5 free generations after linking a credit card. Live Friday, do 6 o'clock. Ends Tuesday, do 0 UTC. Create cinematic AI films, realistic animal videos, action scenes, and storytelling content. Enjoy smooth motion, strong character consistency, and high-quality 1080p results. Just enter your prompt and generate professional AI videos in seconds. Alright friends, here's what you need to do. First, open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, simply paste this prompt. I'll provide you with this prompt, and you can download it from the comment section. Once you paste the prompt, after a short while, you'll see that all 15 scenes will start being generated. If you want to create 20, 40, or even 50 scenes, you can generate as many as you want. Now, I'll copy the first 5 prompts. So, there's no need to generate one video from prompt 1, then another from prompt 2, then prompt 3, and so on. Instead, I can copy 5 prompts together, copy these prompts and then go to... Once I paste the 5 prompts, I'll set the video size to 16:9 and keep the quality at HD 1080p. Make sure the voice option is also turned on because we want good background audio and sound. After that, simply click on Generate. It will take a little time, but it won't take too long. Usually around 2 to 4 minutes. And the video will start generating. And as you can see, the video has already started generating and is now ready. Just look at the result. It looks absolutely amazing. It looks like a real cinematic film. Not like a typical AI-generated video, but like an actual professionally produced movie. The results from this website are really impressive. And the best part is that it also gives you 5 free generations, so you can get 5 free accesses to the 2.5 model. Make sure you use those free generations as much as possible. Now, I'll take the next 5 or 10 prompts and copy them. Once I copy the next set of prompts, I'll paste them here in the same way. After pasting them, I'll set everything up again. I'll keep the resolution at 1080p HD, so the final video maintains high quality. Then I'll click on Generate, and the video will start generating again. It may take a little time, but not too long, so you won't be wasting much time. After a short while, the video will be ready. I'll download it and play it in HD so you can see the result. As you can see, this is the second scene, and look at how amazing it is. The scene looks incredibly cinematic and realistic. You can create videos exactly like this yourself. This is a really powerful website, and you can easily create high-quality, realistic AI films using this method. So, we have now created and used 2 scenes. Next, let's move on to another powerful feature of ChatGPT 2.5, the 50 reference feature. Seedance 2.5 key feature friends. One of the most powerful features of Seedance 2.5 is its ability to support up to 50 references in a single generation. You can combine 30 images, 10 video clips, and 10 audio files into one project, allowing the AI to create a highly consistent video while maintaining the same characters, visual style, motion, environment, and audio throughout the entire scene. For example, I can upload 30 images, 10 videos, and 10 audio files, then simply paste my prompt. Once everything is added, I click Generate, and Seedance 2.5 starts creating a stunning HD cinematic video automatically. This feature makes professional quality video creation faster, easier, and more consistent than ever before. Once you've added all your references and pasted your prompt, the generation process may take a short time, but it's surprisingly fast considering the quality of the results. Remember, Seedance 2.5 allows you to use up to 50 references in a single generation, giving you incredible control over your videos. And now, the video is ready. Take a look at the result for yourself. The quality, consistency, and cinematic feel are truly impressive. The results are absolutely amazing. Using this method, you can easily create professional quality AI videos for YouTube, social media, marketing, storytelling, or any other creative project you have in mind. If you're a new user, Seedance 2.5 gives you 5 free generations to get started. Simply sign up with your email and create up to 5 videos at no cost. Once you've used your free generations, you can also upgrade and purchase a Seedance 2.5 package to continue creating even more incredible videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI video tutorials and the latest AI tools. See you in the next video.